Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Learn in a Nutshell. So in the last video, we saw how to run our first program, that's Hello World, by just using HTML. So in today's video, let's create a React environment using Node.js and npm, and create our first program within that React environment. So yeah, without wasting any time, let's get in the video. Please enjoy. So for this tutorial, you need to have Node.js installed, or you can just open your terminal by clicking here. So this will bring up the terminal. So here you can just type node and then give a space -v. So that will show if you're equipped with this Node.js, or if you need to install, then you need to go to browser and download Node.js. So also you can check the npm version. So npm is also available. That's a package manager, node package manager. And yeah, that's the thing which you require to get started with this. So the first thing what you need to do is to create a React app. There's a command already available. So what we need to do is type npx. So that is nothing but executor, node package executor. This is node package manager. Here you can install, delete, all those things can be done with npm. Npx will execute the package directly. So here you need to give npx space create, create hyphen react hyphen app. So, and you need to give a name for this. I'll just give my React app. You can give whatever name you want, and then just press enter. So it will take some time. Just give a confirmation by typing yes. So it will take 1 to 2 minutes to get everything installed. So you can see the progress that's happening on the left side in the Explorer. So it's still in progress. So let's wait for some time. So it's installed now. The package is executed successfully. You can see some warnings. You can ignore that. So you can see success created my React app, and you can see where it is created. So if you have previously created create React app globally, it's recommended that you uninstall that. For example, so let's say you go to your Explorer and go to Learn in a Nutshell. So in your case, you need to go to your folder. So in my case, it's Learn in a Nutshell. And here you need to look for app um, data. I guess if it's not visible, you can go to show under view and click on hidden items. So this will bring up all the hidden items. In this, you'll have to go to app data. Here you need to go to roaming. Here you need to go to one more thing. You need to go inside npm, and here you need to make sure that under node modules you don't see create a React app coming up. So if it comes up, then it's better you uninstall it by running npm uninstall -g create React app. So this is recommended because you need to always install not globally. So within the project you need to install create React app so that you download the latest React app version. So once it's installed, you can see my React app coming up here. So let me open this folder, go to open folder, and it's under ReactJS, my React app. So you'll see the folder structure. So node modules will have all the required packages. Public will have the data that will be visible to public, And source is where we'll be writing all our codes, all the components, everything will be written inside the source folder. And if I go to terminal, if you can go to terminal like this or just click here to bring up terminal, and then you need to give npm start. So if you give npm start, so it will take some time and it will start the server, and it will automatically open up a localhost a path in your browser. So this will be coming up. So you may ask from where this is coming. So it already says from where it is coming, source/app.js. So you can go to source app.js. So this is where it's coming from. So you can try changing something. So let's say test here. I've set it to autosave. If you see here, autosave is on. So uh, as soon as I type something, within a second it will autosave. So I'll type test again, test one. It will save automatically and recompile everything. And if I go back, it should see that it's already changed. You don't have to reload the page. So that is one more feature of React.js. You don't have to reload the page. Whatever changes you are doing, only that part will be updated automatically, and it will be shown instantly. So let's say save to reload to see the changes. So see, automatically it got changed over here without reloading the page. So that's the benefit of using React.js. So you may be wondering how this is getting reflected over here. So if you see under index.js, it is rendering app over here. So app is over here, that is already imported. And if you see the root is created, we are getting the container, that is a root div container, using this get element by id root. So you may wonder from where this root is, because it's not available anywhere in the source folder. So this will create the virtual DOM for root, and then render the content whatever we are writing in app.js. So whatever content is there in app.js will be rendered and will be pushed to the virtual DOM and verify what are the changes and update the changes accordingly to the browser. So this root is basically in public folder. So if I go to public, if I go to index.html, so if you scroll, you will see this root over here. So this is where all the changes are happening. So this is where it's fetching the div from in your source folder. So what we'll do is, let's try to change the content inside this, and let's remove everything over here. Let's just keep app as it is, or let's remove this div as well. Div is also not required, and let's return some h1 tag with hello world. So it's auto saved. Hopefully you should see the change happening in the browser instantly. So I did a mistake, hello world. So the change is already here. And also in this, don't require this logo, you can remove this, and also you can remove all the unnecessary things. As part of this tutorial, this is not required. We don't require all those logos, so you can remove this logo as well, and it will still show the same response. Going forward, we'll not use the out of the box JS file that was created. We'll just use index.js for all the rest of the tutorial. So let's remove everything. These three things are not required, and we don't require this as well. So let's remove this. So we'll just stick to index.js going forward. So we need to make a few changes over here. So let's make that changes. So let's remove this React that is also not required and render directly H1. Whatever we did in previous step, we will do it over here. Hello world. And also we will remove this app and this. So this is also not required and React.js is also not required. Apart from that, we can keep everything else. So we'll just keep the code something like this. And if you see now, you should see Hello World coming up and you can do any changes. It will instantly, get updated here. If you want, you can move this from here to a container. Const file is also fine. So I'll just give it as Hello World and then paste it over here. So that's all, and you need to just put it over here. That's all you have to do, and it would be coming up here instantly. So let's remove this and keep it clean. Hello world. And that's how you can, write your first program in a React environment called Hello World. So that's all in this video, guys. So in the coming videos, let's see the other functionalities that React.js has. So in this video, that's all. I hope I've kept this video as short as possible. So yeah, if you like the video, please do the like button. If you have any queries, please post it in the comment section. Let's catch you in the next video. Until then, see you. Bye.